y'all, I wanted to show you how I'm going to tack down the front of this wig. This is a Uniwigs wig. It is Hannah. It's the Remy human hair mono top wig. I absolutely love it. It's great. I did use a little bit of the Milano Scalp Illusion kit to like kind of blend some of the deep lace into the mono top. I do need to tack down a little bit of the lace here in the front, and I thought I'd show you how to do it with the Got to Be Glued. This is the styling spiking gel. It's water resistant. I'm just gonna take a tiny little bit on a Q-tip, and I have two Q-tips just in case one fails. I've got another one. All right, so I'm just gonna take very, very, very little. I don't know if you can see, but that is not much. And then I'm gonna just gently place it underneath where I need it. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the other side, which is dry and has nothing, and apply some pressure. And then once I feel like it initially has kind of made contact, I'll use my finger. I don't want to use my finger right away because I don't want it to like dry just to my finger. Some people use a hairdryer. That would definitely speed up the process. I'm just doing it right here at the part. I'm not gonna tack down any of that. I love the way this wig fits behind my ears, and it's covering all that lace in the front, so there's no need, from me anyway, to do that. It's still a little wet, so I still apply just some gentle like finger pressure to that area. And if you need to repeat this, it's basically the same thing over again. Maybe you didn't get, you know, enough, or it didn't grab as much of the lace as you intended. So it's feeling pretty set, but just a little bit sticky. One thing you want to also keep in mind is that, you know, whatever hairs it does touch, it's going to change the texture of them a little bit, which for the most part usually doesn't matter. I know some people like to like even use the gel to kind of like, you know, press some of those baby hairs in the front down. But anyway, there it is. So I have finally got my wig secure, and I am ready to go for today.